Lesson number 1. Top parts of body. SEEC Simple English Education Center. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Head. Head. Hair. Hair. Forehead. Forehead. Eyebrow. Eyebrow. Eyes. Eyes. Eyelash. Eyelash. Ears. Ears. Nose. Nose. Cheeks. Cheeks. Mouth. Mouth. Lips. Lips. Chin. Chin. Teeth. Teeth. Tongue. Tongue. Neck. Neck.
Have you memorized all the vocabulary? In this session, you'll be tested. Some wordless picture will appear on the screen, so you have to guess the picture. The correct answer will appear within 3 seconds. Are you ready? Head. Hair. Forehead. Eyebrow. Eyes. Eyelash. Ears. Nose. Cheeks. Mouth. Lips. Chin. Teeth. Tongue.